Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? My name is Kartia Velino. I am a Toronto-based lifestyle and beauty blogger. We talk everything beauty and style on this channel. So this morning I am prompted really by a video that I watched. A Nigerian beauty influencer. She's a makeup artist, Dimma Ume is her name. So she did something about brands, and that I kind of reflected to the things that have been going on. Throw me back with some of the challenges that I have or I am having with brands, and I really appreciate that video. I've been wanting to do a similar video in relation to brands and bloggers, and this is exactly what I'm going to talk about right now. How bloggers, especially new bloggers, don't make money. You don't want to be consumed or swallowed by what is going on because you want to have your name, your face, and your brand out there. Let me start by telling you, this September, I'll be 2 years as a YouTuber. Even though I registered a year before 2 years, I didn't even do anything. So when I first started 2 years ago, I did a video, just a casual video about coconut oil and baking soda to slough off dead skin and stuff like that. I was just, doing the things that I love, even though I usually purchase my products in big size containers because I am a beauty blogger. I do everything about beauty. I even have my own skincare line. Anyway, so when I did that video, and then in the beginning, it was just like a trial video. You just started, the video was not clear, there was no it wasn't even high definition video, but I was surprised and shocked like how the comments were trooping in. People were talking about my skin and giving me kudos and asking me where they can get that big jug of coconut oil. So I left the link of the company because I live in Toronto and that company is also in Toronto, Canada. And then as I was watching that video, emails were coming in, people were asking me where they can get that big jug of coconut oil. I was giving out the company's information. The company also have their store in United States. And then before I know it, I have like over 1 million views on that video. Before I know it, it skyrocketed from 1 million to 1.2 million. So I drove to the company, even though, yes, so it plus the emails. I'm not lying to you. I got a minimum of 50 emails. People were asking me where they will get the same product. So I keep sending out this company's information, their email, their website, where they are in US and where they are in Canada. So I drove up to the company. I say, you know what? Here, I open up my phone. I say, here are the emails that people has been sending me. I have been generating you guys lots and lots of customers. And then the lady said, okay, we will talk to the PR department. We'll get back to you. I needed a little bit of compensation for giving you guys a free advertisement. So after 2 weeks, they reached out to me and they say, sorry, ma'am, we cannot do anything. We don't have a compensation process or platform. I said, okay, you are dealing with an Igbo Nigerian woman. I went back to the video, I took down the site, and then people are still writing me today. All I do is that I send them to Amazon. I don't even mention the name of the brand, the particular brand. I just say, go to Amazon and source your own big jar of coconut oil. So the video is still trending. A lot of people are still writing me emails. So I have one generic response email that I do. Just say, go to Amazon and type 2 liters of coconut oil, and anything that pops up there, make sure it's organic and buy it. Okay, so that one is done now. Now Kartia Velino is growing. I am not a baby anymore as long as it comes to social media. So now I'm doing my skincare. Companies, I am not lying you, I am not blowing my own trumpet, but I have to blow it at this moment. Companies, brands, they reach out to me on weekly basis. They want to send me products for review, like skincare. Some people have like 2 or 3, 5 steps organic skincare. They want me to review the products, tell people, put their link. Okay, these products have a wash, a toner, a day cream, a night cream, hand cream. 5 steps. I don't care how much you are selling that product. Last week, this company approached me. This product of 6 steps is being sold for $300 and something. So they offered to give it to me for free. I said, okay, you're gonna give it to me for free? This is so amount that I'm going to charge to produce a video. You have 5, 6 products. You want me to sit down? I'm going to read all the ingredients in all those products. I'm going to list them. I will tell people the side effects of that. I will tell people how long they have to have it on their face and wash it off, and link your company at the end of my video and generate you customers, and you will only give me free products. Hell no, it does not worth my time to do the review, to do the research of 6 products, all the ingredients, or the most important, the basic ingredients on those creams. I have to know about that because I'll be ready for the questions. Remember, my viewers will not go to you when they have questions. They will go and purchase from you, but I'm sure they will direct their questions to me. I will not do any review or any product review. I don't care if your product is selling for 1 gazillion. If you're not ready to pay me for the video, I will not produce any video for you. Let me be the way I am. I do my own DIYs. My YouTube family, they love me the way I am. My videos are very short and very concise, and they can understand what I am talking about in my video. Another company approached me. They're selling a traveling bag. I don't do anything with traveling bag, even though I love to travel. You want to send me a traveling bag of $120 and do a review for you and don't get paid and get you customers. I will not do that. I am sorry. They're coming to me, even though I don't have as much followers on Instagram. But I think that a lot of people believe in YouTube because they can see. They can see how it glides, how product glides on your skin. So people believe more on YouTube on what they can see. They believe in motion, and you want to send me products for free and not pay me. I'm sorry. And also for new bloggers who are coming up, I am here to tell you, to give you this advice. If I had watched these videos, this kind of videos before I started my YouTube, before starting my skincare, I'm sure things will be different. So if you're coming up as a blogger, as a YouTuber, as an influencer, do not do anything free for anybody. Depends on what you want to accomplish from that. Because the moment you start doing free stuff, they will look down on you. And also, even the ones that knows you, they want you to do free services for them. You didn't go to school to learn these things for free. Your camera that you purchased is not for free. The time that you invested to do the video, I don't care if it's a low class video or high class video, it just does not worth it. So it's better for you to lay down your rules from day one. Tell people who you are and how things run for you. I think they will have more respect for you from the beginning. Do not do any free stuff for anybody. I'm sorry, brands. I'm sorry. If you want me to do anything or to collaborate with you, you have to pay me for that, because I will not be generating customers to you and then I will not be getting paid. Unless I forget, the people that approached me last week about the 5 steps of skincare, and then when I turn around and tell them that they have to pay me, and this is so amount that I will be charging for that, they turned around and they wrote me. Did you know what they say in the email? oh, so sorry, you don't have that much of the viewers. Really? Because I requested for money, and then that's when you know that I don't have viewers. But when you were coming for me in the beginning, you didn't know that I don't have the views or the viewers that you were looking out for. When it turns about money, that's when you turn around and you tell me that I don't have viewers. I am so sorry. I'm sure that the people that have 1 gazillion viewers that you're looking for will do it for free for you. Thank you so much, and I hope that this video is going to be a lesson to new bloggers, to upcoming ones, or the new coming ones. Do your own thing, but hey, at the end of the day, if you still want to do it for free, it's entirely up to you. Kartia Velino will not promote any brand for free. I'd rather promote individuals, like people that I know that are struggling for business, and if they have small things that they want me to help them bring up to the limelight, I will gladly do that. But for big companies, I am sorry, influencers and bloggers are the advertising companies right now, because the advertising companies has been shifted to one side, and companies are using influencers and bloggers to market their products. And are you telling me that if they go to put those products on the television or on the magazine that they're going to do it for free? Hell no, and I will not do it. I will leave it here for now. This is just a very small message that I want to convey. Thank you to Chidinma for bringing this up. I've been scratching my head wanting to do this video for a long time, but I think there is a reason why I waited this long, maybe to watch your video before I can counteract with this video. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share this video. Love you from the bottom of my heart. All right, bye.